We are currently the largest importer of hemp, which used to be our greatest export. That doesn't make sense when every one of our forefathers had very much to do and a dependence and a hope to see hemp fuel our entire economy. I think just that statement alone, if you give it a minute to absorb, can say more about our country and our financial position today than really anything else or any other decision that's ever been made. I mean, when we stopped producing a GDP, when we knew our GDP at one time was created by being one of the world's greatest manufacturers, and you look at the fact that we no longer manufacture anything. Most of our large corporations have moved to find cheaper means of labor, to produce things which are ultimately being sold back to America, but being produced in other countries. We've started to police the rest of the world and push our finance and our dollar on them, when our own financial sectors, our real estate sectors, and our insurance sectors, they no longer make sense. Our banks all need bailing out. And I believe that a large factor of that is because we're not producing anything in this country. This country doesn't have a fundamental business plan any longer. We can't sell our financial information anymore, our insurances, our real estate. Everything around us is really falling, and I think that to re-examine something that created this country and made it great and bring that back is an option that's open to the people. I think I'm proud to be an American, but at the very same time, I believe that the founding fathers who were embodied in Mount Rushmore were really men of will who stood for great change. I think the same amount of struggle and veracity needs to be put into hemp, really by the people, and hopefully the people who see our film, to understand that it does take them all coming together as a whole. It's such an uphill battle when this is really something that's quite simplistic. And if it's viewed in its total simplicity, I believe that it could be brought back to society, especially if we know from every one of our forefathers that this is something that really created our country and made it one of the great countries that it is.